You've probably heard the word economy and at least know vaguely that it's got something to do with the phrase, money makes the world go round. Now imagine this, if the whole of human society was represented by a human body, then the circulatory system which transports blood around the body could be the economy. But let's take this analogy a little bit deeper. What about the blood itself? Well, that could be fossil fuels like coal and gas, but especially oil, because human society is very dependent on fossil fuels, with many countries dependent on them for their economies. So, dealing with greenhouse gases is going to cause damage to the economy, right? Well, studies have estimated that the total cost of climate action, that's cost plus the damages by 2100, is approximately 12 trillion US dollars. But the cost of inaction, just damages, could be approximately $20 trillion. But all I've referred to so far, of course, is traditional economics. What about behavioural economics? How does that fit in with our efforts to deal with the climate crisis? Let's hear from Dr. Mike Brock, Senior Lecturer in Microeconomics at the University of East Anglia.
Hi everyone, so my name's Mike and this session is going to be looking at the interplay between behavioural economics and traditional economics and starting to wonder whether, as economists might presume, we act as kind of robots who are able to make perfectly rational and sensible decisions, or whether we can see lots of instances where actually behaviour in the real world goes against that theory. The idea behind this is to try and understand why those differences occur and what that means for human decision making. This fits in with Project Change because I'll be showing you how those behavioural differences apply to some of our perspectives around the environment, sustainability and the climate itself, and hopefully it allows us to understand how those behavioural changes or those actions that we undertake need to be addressed and adopted and brought in to understanding larger environmental sustainability change.
Mike hosts a fascinating interactive workshop about microeconomics and climate change. You can sign up for this workshop and others via projectchange.uea.ac.uk.